Alright, my peeps, so I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'm gonna make persimmons, almond butter, almond and cashew milk, and some dates. Like jelly. Alright, one. Three, 4. Persimmons, 4 dates, 2 bananas. The only thing I bought was the milk and the dates, but the banana and the persimmons were for free. So half of this smoothie was, well, 3/4 of this smoothie was free. A nice consistency. Get your cup, Vato. Where's your cup? Oops. Yeah, it's pretty thick, but it's all good, dude. It needed more liquid.
Is it thick or?
Here you go, Hendrix.
Just a little bit.
Taste it and tell me if you like it. If you like it, you could have more. Okay.
Wow. That's good.
Let me taste it. I don't even know how mine tastes. All right, I'm gonna do my taste. Well, you like it, right? All right, salud. Yeah, it's good. You want to try this, Lucky? Bomb.
They even taste like persimmon.
¿Te gustó? ¿Te gustó eso, Hendrix?
The whole thing?
¿Cómo están estos mangos? No va a partir uno. Si están buenos, voy a regresar a comprar más.
That's a whole meal for you, dude. Enjoy it. I'm gonna use less persimmons now. I know I'm gonna use 3 of them because this thing gets pretty thick.
How many did you put?
4 persimmons, 4 persimmons, 4 dates, and 2 bananas,
So those
and
big,
then almond milk.
so those big raisins are called dates.
Yeah, dates.